First of all, we want to say that in our information technology in a certificate level, we have 5 chapters, and already we discussed all chapter in 51. Dash involve the investigation of new approach of existing problem. So here, systematic analysis, creative analysis, critical analysis, organizational analysis. Here answer is creative analysis. So creative analysis involve the investigation of new approaches of existing problems. So what is creative analysis? Creative analysis is about put through and perspective being creative, how to create creative, how you apply analysis. 52. Whose responsibility is it to see that the potential consequence of information system use are fully considered? Here, information system professionals, managers, users, all of the above. So here, answer is information system professionals' responsibility is to see the potential consequence of information system use are fully considered. So information system professionals investigate who are the what the role of information system professionals. They investigate, analyze, design, develop or manage information system based on computer and related technology through the object applied, that is knowledge of the professional judgment, and aligned with the organizational mission, vision and goal or operation. 53. The first stage in the problem solving process is called the dash stage. So we that means we already discussed this is the monitoring scale. Then information comes from the, look here is the new one. The information of MIS comes from the external source, internal. What would be the answer?
Sir, C hobe sir.
Yes, both internal and external. Yes. The backbone of any organization is capital, management, employees, information. Basically, information. AI short from artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence.
Yes, sir. The advantage of transistors are they are portable, that means can be movable, portable.
All of the above, sir.
Yes, sir. More reliable, consume less power. Yes, all of the above. The flow of information through MIS is need dependent, organizational dependent, information dependent, management dependent. The flow of information through MIS is need dependent. Flow of information through MIS, the element of control which consists of authority, direction, management, authority, direction, information, authority, application, management, authority, application, information. Answer is authority, direction, management. Authority, direction দিচ্ছে management কে, কি element of control. Internal information for MIS may comes from any source, from any of the following departments: customer care department, HR, marketing, production department. So internal information for MIS come from any of the following department. Come from customer care department. Here answer is customer care department. So it's a customer care department. Internal information for MIS may come from Customer Care Department. 61. Audit gives details about dash to accounts payable system. So here accounts balance, transaction, expenditure, all of the above. Audit gives details about account balance to account payable system. Your answer is A. Audit gives details about account balance to account payable system. One byte is made of, we know it, answer 4, 8, 12, 6,
8 bytes.
8, yes sir.
8.
8 bits with 1 byte. MIS normally found a manufacturing organization will not be suitable in the where service, banking, agriculture, service sector. Dash details are given by management to marketing service system. Customer, employees, supplier, none of the above. Supplier details are given by management to marketing service service system. Your answer is supplier. Supplier details are given by management to marketing service system. Answer here, your answer is C. Supplier details are given by management to marketing service system. Now the basic component of DSS. So what is DSS? DSS, Decision Support System. DSS, Decision Support System. The basic components of DSS are your database, model base, DSS software system, all of the above. Your answer is basically D, all of the above. So basic components are database, model base, and decision support system software, DSS software system. DGSS is the short form of Group Decision Support System. So what is Group Decision Support System? Here look, this is the GDSS. Hardware, people, hardware, software, people, and CISA. So hardware, input, output device, communication line, common screen processor, etc. And software application program use, and within a group. So this group decision support system. Decision tree could be represented in different way, such as here bottom to top, left to right, top to bottom, all of the above. So আমরা জানি যে ডিসিশন ট্রি যেটা করি আমরা হয়তো ম্যানেজমেন্ট অ্যাকাউন্টিং এ আপনারা করবেন ভবিষ্যতে ডিসিশন ট্রি এখানে লজিক্যালি সফটওয়্যারে যে এখানে লজিক যেটা আছে সেখানে এটা কিভাবে করা যায় টপ টু বটম হতে পারে লেফট থেকে রাইটে হতে পারে রাইট থেকে লেফট হতে পারে অল সো হিয়ার আনসার ইজ decision tree could be represented in different ways such as bottom to top, left to right, and right to left, top to bottom, all of the above. Answer is D. So here this is the, if you see that this is the decision tree root node. If see the here top to bottom and left to right, here describing here. So the types of data transmission modes are half duplex, duplex, and
Sir, B.
B. Yes. So here is the transmission mode. Some are simple X mode, some are full duplex mode, some are half duplex mode. Which of the following is not an objective of MIS? So here 4 item which is not the objective, but 3 are objectives. So here, facilitate the decision making process. So it is right. And B, recruit people for system. It is not right. Then provide requisite information at each level of management. It is correct. Support decision making. It's also correct. So here 3 item is the objective also of MIS, but not in the B, not for the B. Recruit people for system is not the objective. So here a 3 are objective and not an answer is B, because which is not an objective of MIS. In the MIS system design, the source of information may be categorized as dash and dash. So here internal and external, personal, organizational, useful, unuseful, constructive, destructive. So here MIS design, the source of information may be categorized either internal or external, and both internal and external. So answer is A. What among the following are the primary characteristics of the information must process? So here relevance, availability, timeless, accuracy. So here saying the answer would be A, B, C, D. What would be? Only 1, 2, and 3. Here said 1, 2, and 3. It is number 1. B, only 2, 3, 4. C, 1, 2, and 4. D, all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basically, answer is only 1, 2, 3. So here, among the following, the primary characteristics of the information must process. Relevance, it would be, that means relevance, it should be in reliability and within the time. So answer is A. 72. Which of the following models are developed on the principles of the business management, accounting, and econometrics? Okay, econometrics. Behavioral model, management science model, operational research model, policy making model. Here answer management science model. And dash is a set of process and procedure that transform data into information and knowledge. So what is that? An information system is a set of process and procedure that transform data into information and knowledge. Here answer is A. A system is called, what would be that? Here probabilistic, deterministic, open and close. A system is called deterministic when the input, process, and output are known with certainty. A system, here answer is basically B. And here is the some for understanding what is system. And then so there are a lot of things we know here. Types of system we know here. There are some types of system in system analysis and design, which are given. That means here probabilistic and deterministic is also a system. Sometimes we know the open system, closed system, manual system, automated system, physical system, abstract system. So what is saying that what is the deterministic system here mentioning? A deterministic system is a system which is operated in a predictable manner where a step execution taken place and output is known. That means you know the output. What would be the output? That means a computer program for finding a square of a number. And probabilistic system is a probabilistic system which operate an unpredictable manner where outcomes is not certain and sure. That means weather forecasting, that outcome is not the sure. So here are the some open system, some closed system, physical abstract system, manual system, automated system. And within the automated system, we know there are OMR as Optimate Market Reader and MICR. Also, what check we are using MICR check. So it's also automated system. Which of the following steps are implemented in the plan to involve MIS? So here, preparing organizational plans, planning of workflow, training of personnel, development of software, acquiring computer hardware. So here there are which of the following steps involved for implementing the IMIS. So basically all require first plan, preparing organizational plan, planning the workflow, training the personnel, কর্মীদেরকে training দিতে হবে for using development of software, acquire computer hardware. So here answer is all of the above. That means all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the process of implementing the MIS. Which of the following is included in the office automated system? So here, word processing, electronic mail, voice mail, electronic calendaring, audio conferencing or video conferencing can be added here. Audio, video conferencing. So here also the same way its answer is D, all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In a tropical dash network application, processing is shared between clients and one more server. So here client server computing, cloud computing, mobile computing, data computing. So tropical dash network. So what is that network? We know when we study the network chapter, we have seen there client server computing. So in a tropical client server computing network, application processing is shared between clients and one more server. So here client server computing. And cloud computing not within here. Cloud computing, we keep our data through with the cloud. So number 78, the dash is defined as a set of activities performed across the organization, creating as the output of the value of the customer. So where development process, business process, quality process, customer focus. So here answer must be customer focus. The customer focus is defined as a set of activities performed across the organization, creating as the output of value to the customer. So answer is D, customer focus. And now here the dimension of e-commerce that enable to commerce across international boundary is called here interactive, global reach. Here answer really global reach here also mentioning here. So global reach. So what is that? If we see the dimension of e-commerce that enable commerce across the national boundaries is called global reach. Global reach refers to the business initiative to increase the across between a company and their current and potential customers through the use of the internet. So here is global reach. 80. Which of the following describe e-commerce? Doing business electronically, doing business, sale of goods. What would be the answer?
Sir, A.
Yes, doing business electronically. So doing business electronically describe e-commerce. E-commerce, an abbreviation of the electronic commerce, is the buying and selling of goods and service for the transforming of the funds or data over an electronic network, primarily the internet. Which of the following is not one of the major type of e-commerce? Here we know that's customer to business or consumer to business, business to customer, business to business, customer to customers. So here basically answer is C2B.
Sir, A.
A, yes. So what is C2B? And if we see here, or is the color? Okay. C2B is not one of the major type of e-commerce. The C2B or consumer to business model is when customers offer product or service to business. The term used to describe those people whose job involve sponsoring and funding the project to develop, operate and maintain the information system is information worker, internal system user, systems owner, external system user, system builder. So here is basically is the systems owner. The terms, that means system owner, used to describe the people whose jobs involve in sponsor and funding the people. So basically system owner. Which of the following is the deliverable of the system implementation phase in a formal system development process? Here, technical hardware and software solution for the business problem. Here answer basically A, and business problems of etc. None of the above. Here answer, which of the following is a deliverable of the system? So technical hardware and software solution for the business problem, that system implementation phase in a formal system development process. When a bank uses information to launch a personalized credit card product, these manage risks, create a new opportunity, adds value, reduce cost, none of the above. What would be the answer? Add value, value addition. When a bank uses business performance management software to monitor its performance in different regions. So এখানে আপনি খেয়াল করে দেখবেন যে এখানে যতগুলো আছে এখানেও কিন্তু একই আছে, কিন্তু আনসারটা আসলে ডিফারেন্স হবে। Here answer is add value. Here answer manage risks. So how? A bank uses business performance management software to monitor its performance in different regions for managing the risks. When a bank offers web shelf service for customer to answer their question, the primary outcomes is reduce cost. Yes, thank you. Reduce costs. The general transformation cycle for information is information to data to knowledge, knowledge to data information, data to knowledge to information, data to information to knowledge. Here answer is D. So general transformation cycle, ইনফরমেশনের জেনারেল ট্রান্সফরমেশন সাইকেলটা হচ্ছে ডাটা থেকে ইনফরমেশন হয়, ইনফরমেশন থেকে নলেজে ট্রান্সফার হচ্ছে, মানে আমি কতগুলি র ডাটা সেটা প্রসেস হচ্ছে, অথবা আমার এখানে ওই ডাটা থেকে আমি ইনফরমেশন পাচ্ছি ফর ডিসিশন মেকিং, সেই নলেজটা ব্যবহার করে বিজনেসে আমি লাগাচ্ছি। সো হিয়ার ট্রান্সফরমেশন সাইকেল অফ ইনফরমেশন ইজ ডেটা টু ইনফরমেশন টু নলেজ। আনসার ইজ ডি।
স্যার আমাদের সাথে এইটা একটু শেয়ার করে দিয়েন স্যার, তাহলে আমরা বাসায় বসে
জি জি অবশ্যই অবশ্যই। The most important attribute of the information quality that a manager requires is the most important attribute of the information quality that the manager require. তাহলে এখানে কি মূল জিনিস হলো ইনফরমেশনের যে কোয়ালিটি সেটা একজন ম্যানেজারের কোনটা দরকার কি বলতেছে কি কি হতে হবে এটা রিলেভেন্ট হতে হবে সবচেয়ে ইম্পর্টেন্ট হচ্ছে আমার ডাটাটা যেন রিলেভেন্ট হয় তাহলে হিয়ার আনসার ইজ এ most important information quality that a manager require it should be relevant so answer is relevant to improve the performance of a business process which of the following is most relevant so here also what would be the answer that should input make the process output it should have control and feedback so here answer is all of the above
feedback
yes all of the above answer is E here the majority of publicly available internet information source create XML structured information normal information unstructured information so here answer is unstructured so here answer is unstructured information answer is D which of the following should be represented on an information flow diagram so here entity source process attribute database which of the following should be represent
So
on
process C.
Information flow diagram its answer is source which of the following should be represented on an information flow diagram a web blueprint displays কি বলতেছে the layout of website এটা হবে তো এটা দিয়ে তো মানে পড়েন আসলে পড়া বুঝতে হবে জিনিসটা here is the system design we know in system design there are a lot of stages identify design goal system documentation identification তারপরে hardware allocation data management or migrate global resource software control boundary control etc a system design a stage of system design and system study involve a study of an existing system when you go for a study of system what would be the we have to study that means a study of existing system what we have documenting the existing system identifying current deficiencies and establish new goal so answer basically answer is here D all of the above here input output a light sensitive device for the convert drawing printed text or other image into digital form is here a light sensitive device it basically is also the scanner one information system are composed of basic component here answer is B3 তো ইনফরমেশন সিস্টেমের বেসিক কম্পোনেন্ট কোনগুলা হার্ডওয়্যার সফটওয়্যার এন্ড পিপল নাকি হার্ডওয়্যার সফটওয়্যার এন্ড পিপল information system can facilitate supply chain management by providing product tracking the status repeatedly communication order doing all of that here answer is D supply chain management এর ক্ষেত্রে information has 3 dimensions they are time constant form here answer is B time content and form information has 3 dimensions they are time that means information টা সময় মতো আমাদের পেতে হবে কন্টেন্ট এর যে কন্টেন্ট ঠিক থাকতে হবে and form information একটা স্পেসিফিক ফর্মে থাকবে which category of computer based information system is concerned with supporting the functional area of organization business information system I think it's also we describe project and responsible for acquiring the information output characteristics associated with executive support system summary transaction data high volume data and simple model are information input characteristics of MIS management information system